What is going on? We're working in a garage today. It's pretty loud outside. There's a lot of guys making noise with hammers and stuff. You might be able to hear some of the background noise. So we're gonna stay in here today. I have got a banner that I'm gonna put on my garage. This is from Garage Sideways. Got it from my boy Steven. If you don't know the channel, they're pretty dope. So I'll go check them out. But we're gonna put it on the car. Gotta represent the homeboys. Especially because I'm from Maryland originally. So yeah, thank you Steven for the sticker. Let's put it on the car. Bam! Done. I want to make sure it's all nice and clean. We're gonna sticker it up. I'm gonna clean this windshield in a minute. Alright, that's looking nice and clean there. Speaking of stickers, I want to talk to you guys about this stuff. Someone was asking me, actually a couple people asked, what the pink highlighter like trim is, and that's this tape. And I'll have to put the website in the link, but it's really easy to use. I believe all their tape sizes come in a 1/2 inch width, which is plenty to actually put on. So, I mean, it's just like tape, as you can see. When you're putting it on, I usually cut angles, so like for my back bumper where it's very jagged, here I'll just go show you. I don't know how the lighting is. Like, as you can see, I basically cut each angle as a different piece of tape. So, I mean, it can, you know, kind of move a little bit without looking too bad, but for that rear bumper, I just had too big of angles to actually be able to kind of trace it all out. But yeah, this stuff is very easy to work with. I also did use a heat gun because the car isn't sitting outside to actually help the adhesive a little bit better. But yeah, it's very easy to use and definitely kind of brings out some of the dark spots on the car. Go get yourself some. Find the center of the banner, wherever that may be. See, I'm already running into the issue that Nate was running into. Steven, my dude, you gotta make these things look wider for me, man. Because yeah, right now, I don't know if you can see it from over there, but this portion, here's the S, we're now at the top of the windshield here. So we're at the top of the windshield, and on the sides, there's about an inch on either side that is just exposed of glass. And you want this whole thing clear. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is cut a slit right here and then kind of bend it so it's like more of a curve shape. Then I can sacrifice the S. Man, you'd be cutting off the S and the D. Cutting off the D. Nobody likes when that happens. Try to make sure this thing looks pretty center, which it does. Actually, it needs to go this way just a little bit. So let's do that. See, here's what I was talking about. So right here, if you have an S chassis and you got one of these, the window trim's right here. And you're still having like that big of a gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this where I want it, where it should be, as low as possible. It needs to go that way, just actually probably this way a little bit. Tape it down. I'm looking for the lettering here. It's about to my big knuckle. We'll come over to this other side. And yeah, I'm just eyeballing, guys. Like, I'm not a perfectionist. That's about to my knuckle as well. Actually, come this way just a hair. So just untape it. Move it over just a little bit and taper back down. Now, as far as being level, I want it definitely to be as low as possible. Let's just make sure it looks good. That looks pretty bomb, if I do say so myself. Man, I don't know if my idea is gonna work. Probably not at that length. I need to, hold on, I gotta raise this whole window up. Just gonna move this up. Get the S pretty close. Steven, my dude, you did not make this easy. Okay, that looks pretty legit. Maybe turn it like that just a little bit. Okay, so now here's my plan. I'm going to do half the side, do the other half side, then you got trim this edge. Well, you have so much excess trim that I'm actually gonna kind of fill in this gap right here with the leftover that I got, so that way I don't ruin the banner and it still looks real nice. So I'm trying to figure out how to put this on without making it like too ugly looking. To be kind of like, you know, like this. I don't know, I just don't want to take away from the, maybe I'll blend these in off the G. Doesn't look terrible actually. Did that. So me just being who I am, I got kind of bored trying to like, you know, I mock these up. I feel like I fixed them pretty well. So I actually kind of cut out, so here's the line, kind of cut out some stars from the access stuff here to kind of help blend this in better. And then I decided to add in a little bit more. So continue some stars down here, right here. Then on the other side, I got just a couple more there that you can kind of see. So I don't know, I think it looks cooler than the original banner. So yeah, there it is. Garage sideways banner. Thanks again for the sticker. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.